5 mobile apps which will help you to make money online with no skills required. I am Yashwant, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share 5 mobile apps that you can use to make money online, and you don't need any skills to make money using them. So this is not like my normal videos where I do suggest a skill to master it so that you can earn money. If you want to make money without putting a lot of effort, then this video is for you. You can make money literally using your smartphone itself. You don't need a laptop or you don't need a high-end infrastructure for it. Please do watch till the end so that you will get to know all the 5 apps, and at least I believe 1 or 2 apps will be beneficial for you. And you will also find all the links to the apps in the description. You can download them and you can start earning money. And before that, please don't forget to like this video. Let's get into the list. The first in the list is Gromo. Gromo is a financial services app. How you can earn money using Gromo is by selling financial products. So Gromo is an app where you will literally find all the financial products, and these products are from different brands actually. So you can sell credit cards here, you can sell bank accounts here, you can sell different financial services here. The simple thing is like you just need to copy the link. Suppose there is a bank account called FI or Jupiter. You will find those links. If you can select your link, if you create an account in Gromo, you will get your own customized link. If you just copy that link and share in your network and ask people to open bank account in FI or Jupiter, you will get money. You will get something like 400 or 500 or 600 per every account opening. And the good thing is like these are all free accounts. Like anyone can open instantly using their mobile phone. They don't need to visit bank or they don't need to do any physical KYC and all. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to open the account. So anyone can do that, right? So let's suppose like you promote this product to your family members or friends and they open your account, you will get money. So that is how it works, and it's something that's a good way because you can make money using your network itself. And second app is Encoro. Encoro is an affiliate marketing app. It's like you will find different brands in Encoro. Once you create an account in Encoro, you will see different brands like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc. What you need to do is like whenever you share any links with your friends of Flipkart or Myntra, just search for the same link in Encoro, you will also get here. But the good thing is like if you promote or if you share the links of any products from brands through Encoro, for every purchase or for every sale you will earn some money. There might be many people in your network who will purchase things in Amazon, Flipkart or Myntra. If you can share links through Encoro, for every product you will get some commission. So this is also the best and easy way to earn money using your smartphone. Number 3 in the list is Probo. Probo is an app where you will earn money taking part in quizzes or surveys. It's simple, like if there is an event happening, if there is a cricket match happening, if your prediction is right, you will earn money, otherwise you will lose that. But I advise like not to spend huge money on it, but yeah, for at least some part-time income you can use this app because it is also a knowledge platform as well, because you are predicting things which are occurring every day, which are occurring globally. So you'll also get to know about different things happening around the world. So it's knowledge sharing as well as some passive income making app. 4 in the list is Cred. Cred is an app which is exclusively for people who are earning money already, because you will not get access to Cred if you're not working and if you're not earning anything. But this will be helpful for people who are already working and want to make more money or decent passive income. So all you have to do is like Cred is an app where you can check your credit score, pay your credit card bills and other bills through credit card as well. So if you can refer Cred in people in your network, you will earn money. Because like of course like all employees or all the people who are working currently, majority of them are eligible for Cred. So if you refer Cred app in your network and if people join through your referral link, you will earn money. So this is also the best way to make money using your smartphone. And number 5 and last in the list is through Upstocks. Upstock is a stock market trading or investing app. So the way you can make money is like, I'm not going to talk about investing here because for investing you need skills, but you can promote Upstocks app in your network. If anyone opens their account in Upstocks using your referral link, you will earn some money. So this is how you can make money with Upstocks. So these are all the 5 apps which you can use to make money using your smartphone. You might observe one thing, like you don't need skills to make money using all the 5 apps that I have suggested so far. And it's easy and direct as well. And you will find all the links to the 5 apps that are mentioned in the description. Check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you want someone else to know about this video, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel for more such passive income ideas and money making tips. Thank you.